All 9 pups. All right, pups, look what we got now.
Oh shoot, that's a little red.
Yep. Is that green or neon with her?
Have fun chasing her, laugh. She's running off. Almost made it back to the house. Busted.
Come on, guys.
Get up front, guys. We take videos. They're all following Dave. There we go. There they all are. And that's Neon and Brown, which are girls.
Blue.
And Blue is in there. There they bring it to us.
Pink.
Okay, guys, good boys. And girls, come here. Give me that birdie. Give me that birdie. Oh, she's got
Oh, that was my finger, Neon.
There we go. With Neon and purple. Neon's got it though. On purple. There goes Neon.
Yellow's in there.
Everybody likes the bird. We might have to do it individually now though, because they're all getting into it.